Yay! You're welcome to another exciting training session. My name is Ogechi Madukoma. Today we'll be looking at how to produce very profitable foam booster. You know, these days, most of us soap makers like to use foam boosters in our soap to make our soap foam better. So instead of buying from the market, I'll be teaching you how to produce your own yourself. Keep them and use. Just see a sample of the foam booster we did. Look at the little quantity I took just to wash my hanky. See how foamy it is. So I will teach you how to produce it yourself. So you can either increase the items or reduce just to suit you. I'll tell you, I'll teach you how to produce it profitably. So let's go right into the production. So we are looking at how to produce very profitable and also very quality foam booster for the production of your bar soap, your liquid soap, your hair shampoo, anything you want to foam. This foam booster can be used for them. Just make them and store them and just use them in bits until you're done using them. Then go ahead and produce again. You know, for you to be profitable in this business these days, you have to be very, very creative. So this is one of the ways you can be profitable, by making this foam booster yourself instead of buying from the market. So let's go through the items I'll be using to produce this batch of foam booster. So one, we'll be using nitrosol. We'll be using 62.5 grams of nitrosol, which is 1/16 kg. 1 kg divided into 16 places. That is 62.5 kg. We'll be using caustic soda. We'll be using 30 grams of caustic soda. We'll be using sodium lauryl sulfate. We'll be using 250 grams. We'll be using Texapon, that's SLES. We're using 500 grams. And then sulfonic acid, we're using 1 liter. Then I'll be using about 11.5 liters of water in all. But at the end, we'll be getting about 12.5 liters. By the time we have added our sulfonic acid, which is 1 liter, and other things, we'll be getting a batch size of 12.5 liters or even 13 liters. So let's go through the items again. This is nitrosol. It's a thickening agent. If you want your foam booster to be a little bit thick, it is optional. This is SLS. It is a foaming agent in this production. Texapon also is a foaming agent, and also sulfonic acid is a foaming agent. You imagine combining 3 powerful foaming agents. Just imagine how foamy that solution will be. And our water here will be acting as a solvent. We eventually add color at the end. That is, if you want to add color, like the ones we buy in the market. You know, the ones we have in the market used to come with color. So let's go through the production process as I take you through the steps one after the other. If this is your first time here, do well to subscribe, please, as I dish out value every week. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for always stopping by. You're the real bomb. First, we are dissolving our SLS in water. This is 1.5 liters of water, so I am dissolving my SLS in 1.5 liters of water. If you have the time, you can do this 30 minutes before production, that it will be well dissolved. But never mind, if you don't have the time, it will eventually dissolve in the mixture. If you want my ebook on how to produce 22 different home essential products, it's just for 1,005, 20 Ghana cedis. The link will be in the description. Just click it and the book will be delivered to your email or to your WhatsApp automatically. So here I am dissolving my caustic soda in about 100 ml of water. Just dissolve and keep. We have dissolved our SLS and we kept it. SLS is the same thing as what you call chemical rice. We have dissolved our caustic soda and we have kept. Now I've poured my sulfonic acid into a different bowl because I want to combine it with my Texapon so it will help us properly mix our Texapon before we now go ahead and produce. So just watch me closely. Just come with me. Just come with me. I am very, very practical here. So just follow me as I take you through this process until we produce a very beautiful, a very profitable, and also very quality foam booster. I know the advantage of this. You know what exactly goes into your foaming booster. So you can beat it and say, yes, I produce this myself. I can say, I can either increase the foaming agent or reduce it or give you the desired result. So but I tell you at the end, this will be very, very foamy. And when you add it to any of your production, it will foam. So right now, let's start the production proper. Yay! Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. I beg you. Please, please, please. And also like and share so that YouTube shows it to more persons that needs to see this video. So first, we'll be dissolving our nitrosol in water. You know, one trick here, when dissolving your nitrosol, please don't let anything that has foam to come in contact with the water. That is why I had to use the other side of my stirrer. I used the other side of my tonic so that foam will not get into it. You know what? If you allow any form of foam to get into that water, it will cause lumps. You start seeing lumps in your nitrosol, and I know that is not what you want. So to avoid that, please, please and please, don't let any form of foam come in contact with the water you want to use for your nitrosol. So just pour them in gradually and stir so that it will mix very, very. No, nitrosol is always very, very tricky to mix. In fact, so many people find it difficult to dissolve nitrosol, but just follow this my process. It will come out very, very well. Please don't skip any of those steps. Just follow me. At the end, you have a beautifully produced foam booster. And also, you can also decide not to add nitrosol if you don't want it to be thick. You know, the ones we buy in the market, they are a bit thick. That is the idea of this nitrosol. But if you don't want it to be thick, you can make yours without nitrosol, since you're the one that will be using it at home. So you can make it, but I'll be doing another video where I'll show you how to produce that particular formulation without nitrosol. But here, just follow me as I come through. So I've added my caustic soda, dissolved caustic soda into my nitrosol solution. So you can see it is becoming a little bit thick. Just come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. Okay? Our foaming booster is coming up very, very beautifully. So I've added my Texapon and my sulfonic acid mixture into my nitrosol and caustic soda solution. So I will say, you can see it's already becoming very foamy. Even when we are not done, you can see how it's coming up. This foam booster is very, very affordable. By the time I calculated all I spent in producing this, I spent less than, I did this video today, the 28th day of April 2024, and I spent less than 4,000 naira in producing this. Just divide, and at the end I got like 12.5 liters. So just divide 4,000 naira by 12.5 liters. You will see how much 1 liter will cost. It is costing less than or about 300 naira. And I know a liter of foam booster in the market goes for like 600, 700, or at least 500 naira. So you know how much you have saved. So here we come. I'll be adding a little bit color here just to give it, just to beautify the look. It's optional though. If you're using it for yourself, you can decide not to use. And here is our water-based color. We'll just dissolve a little bit of water and we'll add it. Hope you're coming with me. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you. You're the reason I am on YouTube. So please do well to subscribe. Don't just subscribe. Also like and share so that YouTube shows it to more persons that needs to see this video. Please, I beg you, and I promise to always give you value on this channel. So here our foaming booster is coming up very, very beautifully. One more time, I'll be leaving the description. I'll be leaving the link of my ebook on the description. Here we covered for a while and we are back. Just cover for the foam to completely set. See, it is not completely settled, but at least it is fine. Just for me to show you. You see what it is like. Very beautiful. Is it not beautiful? It is. Look at how beautiful this foam booster is. Okay, let's do the practical again. Let me wash this hanky with just a little quantity. Just look at what I used to wash my hanky. In fact, this hanky came up very, very clean and it is foamy. Please subscribe to my channel. I beg you. Please like, please share. You can see how foamy it is. Just imagine adding this foaming booster to your bar soap, or to your liquid soap, or to your hair shampoo, or to anything that you need to add foaming booster to. You see it will make it foam more. Thank you. God bless you.